How to change email address on Shein. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your email address on your Shein account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Shein app. And then once you're in your Shein app, tap on me in the bottom right corner here. Then tap on the settings gear in the top right corner. Then here tap on manage my account, and here tap on email. Here you will see your email, and then here you have to tap on change. After you tap on change, you have to open the email you have connected to your Shein account. You will get an email from Shein like this. Open that email, copy this code, and after copying, go back to your Shein app, then paste the code, and now enter here the new email you want to change. Then here tap on send, and a verification code will be sent to this email. Now open this email address, refresh your email. You will receive an email like this. Open that email, copy this code, go back to Shein, enter the code here, check this, and then tap on submit. Wait for it to load, and the email address is changed. So this is how you can change email address on your Shein account. Thanks for watching.